Corville Garda, Riverton, save you. And some of those like ways are weary road. Now turn my back on the real youth. All over the way weary road. Search up for my father, not that one time. So I wait for a fall man. Yes, I got disappointed. Alright then, I hit a answer. Answer. I'm forward from a place when I'm Corville Yard. All real ghetto youth must have blank over your head. Genuine ghetto youth, them bust a blank over your head. Cause if you blame life, you blame. Nice so. No boy can't stop me on that journey. Nobody can't stop me on that journey. You know why? Some people stop by obstacles my journeys. The devil is. And every single day he will be taunting you. Babylon always looking something to plant on you. Some people stop by. Hey! Remember when I do my album? Holy Emmanuel I Selassie I Jew. Waterhouse. Play the rhythm. Rasta there. Rasta yam vegetable, me no yam meat. Me no yam pork or me no yam beef. Things that some man a do go tell them not to eat cause the fastest. Them a go get is a rate. Rasta no bleach and no way me no more. Woman a sell pussy, Rasta no buy ore. Now some a partner we on back road. I serve me, rather no go put more. Bubba was shanty say we love nice things. Big fat car with a big nice ring. But me don't know where some man do business. Some fire burn a boy with a weird nose ring. Some exercise cause me not like jag. Me not like bad mind. That's like a brother that can do another level. Inevitable, I'm miserable. Get those splash. I'm looking at some positive and also then a lot. I'm looking at some positive and also then a lot. Oh, yeah, then go again in the me see them and fear me. You know why they don't like me? And them don't like me because they close to me. I wear them is a new brand. Like me because they care with me, I fear it is a. Them don't like it, then I go and they go legal in the Cuban. I'm a friend, I got to me, we know. Hey, that's a got to make a real. Oh! Me want what's best to me. Marianne, you bring stress to me. So me know you are no me best. You me a sound and you give me back rows. Sorry me don't choose, me no ain't out of boat. Voila. You see the amount of attitude we share a while ago. And the year we should have gone a while ago. I walk one. See you bring my personal life come on. Waterhouse in the stadium. I'm going to tell the whole audience where you go on, sir. Why? You want to go in, you want to go on. You want to live yard, me want yard, you just want shop, but you want to lose, me want. Baby, me with her. But come and know what's it gonna. You want hyper. You want love. Yeah, me with her, sense of chiming up. And go home, I say things enough. I say this one I work out, I'm selective. And we have different town. I say this thing to strive, but you slow my driver. Now the watching a little, me I see a fighter. Might educated, but you know, and your eyes on the baby me with a devil. Holy Manuel I Selassie I Joe. All of the real warrior there. And I know my music already, you know. And I know my music already. So hear what me ask now. Play it on a level. I want to see the man that use Android phone. I want every Android phone turn on first. I want to see the Android phone them turn on. Nobody not there with Android phone. Every day we clash with phone thing. Me's not an Android user, but let me see the Android phone them. Let me see the Android phone them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13. All of the iPhone user them. Let me see the iPhone user them. The iPhone user them, let me see you turn on your phone light. May I try to turn on my one before anybody else. Let me say all of the iPhone them turn on over there, sir. All of the iPhone them turn on over there, sir. You see that song here? That song here for everybody will have somebody to celebrate. You see if you have somebody to celebrate, why you turn on your phone light and celebrate the person where you want to celebrate tonight. Because we don't know, you know why? No worry about your brethren, where's your for them they are heaven and wait and them are gonna meet you with a pearly dressing up. Hey, so Corville guard me forward from me now. Waterhouse, Riverton, Calalubeg, New Ever, Seaview guard, Brook Valley, Sherlock, Mar Valley. Can't tell you something about my life. Me exercise every day and I'm still not fit. My kids are hungry and I ain't got no tell me. So what would you? Me exercise every day and I'm still not fit. My kids are hungry and I ain't got no tell me what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do. This is what I'm about to do, y'all. It's just another day in the struggle. All I see is infants and water. Life for me, it ain't no fun. The only thing I can depend on. I really don't wanna rob Mr. Chambard. Survival of the key in the slope. If you're not a beast, you might get stung. Please don't ask me how come. We do what we do and we sell what we can. Full heap of light tell. We rise and we fell in this place where we dwell. Don't think it's all well on earth, but it's hell. A place where you can identify by the smell. White collar criminal, them triggers with their fists and bell. A place where babies are raising babies. This motherfucking place is me exercise. Don't tell me what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do. One room filled with kids, you would have thought it's a bunch of Brady's. We ain't white, so you know it's all shady. Dinner tonight, maybe. Same routine, chicken back gravy. Who would have thought in year 2023 we still be living in slavery? Give us no alternatives, telling us to take it. When you got to pay even for the fucking year you breathe. Sometimes I wonder, my blood is different from the blood that has bleed. Oh shit, my life is filled with so much pain and grief. Got 10 brothers and sisters and mom still I can't see. When my last sibling not even started, that tried to make two ends meet, the crabs take his weight. I wish you know much I gotta go, I gotta live, I can't breathe. No roses growing even though